Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video tutorial, and today we're talking about how to get free coins in Bilibili Comics because as you can see, I've already installed Bilibili Comics++ application for my Android device. This application works for Android or iOS, and to get free coins in Bilibili Comics, all you need to do, you must enter amount of coins as you want. So this video tutorial, I will show you step-by-step tutorial how it's work and how to get this application for your mobile devices. Okay, it's already generated for our account, so wait to complete of this process. After finish, our account will be open. Wait maybe, I don't know, 1 minute maybe, and okay. And now, as you can see, everything is work. Now I get free coins in Bilibili Comics. So this application, Bilibili Comics, is already working for Android or iOS devices. And now I get free coins. Okay, so how to get Bilibili Comics++ for your mobile devices? Basically, it's very easy step. Open your favorite browser and follow me. Okay, scroll down and type this, the Bilibili Comics++, and I found this application from this website. So the next step is press install. Wait to complete of this process. After finish, Bilibili Comics++ will be installed in our mobile devices. Okay, this is last step. Application is already installed in my mobile devices, and it's super easy tutorial. So enjoy and thank you for watching.